Today I'm going to show you how to delete mass email from before a certain date in your Gmail. Let's try it. First, go to your Gmail at mail.google.com, and then what you're going to do in the search bar above, notice how I have 2,412 emails in my Gmail. I'm going to type before, colon, and then a specific date. And this is how you type it, before, colon, 2015 slash whatever date you want to put. Then what I'm going to do, now that I've selected that search, it's only going to show me about 1 to 100 of about this amount, but I'm going to click the Select All box at the very top. And then it says all 100 conversations are selected, but I'm going to select all conversations that match this search. So it's going to go into those 2,000 that I have. Once that is selected, I'm going to click the trash can button, and all those conversations, all those emails and Hangout conversations are going to, they're going to be stripped of their labels, any labels that I have had on them, and they are going to be moved into the trash can where they will be deleted forever. That's what I want. So I'm going to click on the trash can. I have everything selected. Confirm bulk action. This action will affect all conversations in the search. Are you sure you want to continue? Be very sure before you click the OK, because there's no going back. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, OK. And then it's going to have this loading button because it has to grab all of those 2,000 however many emails, and it has to put all of them in the trash, and that's going to take some time. All conversations have been moved to the trash. Because some are part of a Hangout, they have been removed from your mailbox but still show up in other Hangouts. Now I can undo this, but this is my last chance. I'm not going to undo it. I'm going to click on my inbox and move forward with my life. Now I only have 583 emails. And if there's nothing particular interesting that I want to look at, I can select all and archive them. When I archive them, they go into all mail out of my inbox, but they don't go into the trash can. So I'm going to select all conversations in my inbox, and I'm going to click the archive button. Confirm bulk action. This action will affect 383 conversations. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. And this is how you totally get your Gmail squeaky clean. Now look at my inbox. No new mail. That's a good sign. And that is how you delete bulk email by using before a certain date. Thanks for watching.